Imagine stepping into a call fully equipped with insights tailored just for you. AI analyzes your company's unique pain points, strategic goals, and what sets you apart from the competition. This isn't just data, it's a sharp, context aware perspective that transforms initial engagement into a meaningful conversation. Picture addressing challenges head on, aligning solutions with your vision, and showcasing how we can elevate your success. This is the power of AI, turning potential into partnership, ensuring every interaction is not just relevant but impactful.